Hello everybody, with this video I want to show you how you can change the language at the Redmi Note 14 Pro. First of all, you need to check the settings app, so you just look for it and tap it. Now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings, it's the fourth point from below. Or you look for a gray icon with a big white dot in it and another 3 gray dots. Now you need to tap the second point, languages and input. And after the first point, languages. And now you can choose from many languages. So let's keep going on with English for that video here. And usually you can choose also a local dialect, like maybe here from India in my case. So greetings, by the way. And now this phone is having English with the dialect of India. After it takes a few seconds and your phone is ready with the new language. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.